Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love the rain. Ever since we were little and we lived in Hawaii, every time it would rain, we would go outside and just play in the rain, and it was amazing. I loved it then. I still love it, unless it's thundering and lightning. Then I don't care for it. But I love rain. I love the sound of rain. I love dancing in the rain, playing in the rain. Anyways, today is going to be my Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of September. Of course, I get my mother-in-law's bag. She is so gracious enough to let me use her bag and me see what she gets before she sees what she gets. Very thoughtful. But her bag is supposed to be for light to medium skin, green eyes, lighter hair, and kind of a newbie to makeup. And she wants a balance of makeup and skincare. My bag is more adventurous. I'm comfortable with makeup, I have brown eyes, and colorful hair. I may need to change my hair color on my profile. Any hoozles, if you are unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a $10 a month subscription where you receive a small makeup bag, then 5 Try Me travel size items for makeup, hair, beauty. You will occasionally get some full size items. Now, starting in October of this year, starting next month, it will be $12 a month. And you also have the chance to add add-ons and stuff like that. You'll get an email. I want to say add-ons are the 2nd of every month. And you can get $12 full-size add-ons and then $3 mini or travel size type add-ons. And they ship right with your Ipsy bag. As you know, I don't get any spoilers. I don't like to watch anyone else's videos. So if you do unboxings, I will always wait till I do my own and film my own before I watch yours. And yeah, I'm really excited. I did pick a couple add-ons. A couple add-ons this month. And yeah, let's just jump right in. We're going to go into my mother-in-law's bag first. If you hear people talking, I do apologize. We do have company. Oh, that's actually kind of cute. Oh, she got a brush, honey. Come say hi. Say hi to the YouTube world. She's going to love that. It's like this beautiful, I don't even think it's going to pick up as blue on camera. It is a stunning cobalt blue brush. She's going to love that. She loves getting makeup brushes. Here is the bag, and it's got the constellations and stuff. It has this beautiful little crystal toggle, and then it says Ipsy, and I would call it like a heathered blush rose. That is a pretty damn bag. I think she's going to like the bag too. So this month's theme for September 2019 is Find Your Light. September is all about new paths and possibilities, etc. Let's hop on in. Don't leave me!
Yeah, I was just giving him some treats.
He just came in to give the dog some treats, y'all. He's so sweet, but I think he should come say hello at least.
No.
He's so mean. Anyways, no, I'm filming. This is the Ofra. I'm so jealous, and I hope I have this in mind too.
That's it.
This is the Ofra and Madison Miller long-lasting liquid lipstick in Oh My Ray Ray. And I have seen spoilers of this actual line from Ofra and Madison Miller because, of course, I watched Madison Miller and I love her so much. Beautiful kind of pinky nude. I want this shade so bad. I hope it's in my bag too. She's going to love this a whole lot. Next up, she has... oh, awesome. A Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wear hydration foundation. That's a lot. In shade 2.6. I think she will love that. She got a pretty bomb bag so far, honeys. Next, she has a Lovecraft Beauty. I've not heard of that brand. The packaging is stunning. And it's a bronzer in the shade Saniva. That is the packaging. Kind of really pretty, like filigree. We will open it. Of course, I can't swatch or anything. It's not mine. But we will show what it is. Oh, that packaging is so cute. And please, God, let me open this and not scratch it with my nails because she'll kill me. I can't even get it open, y'all. Okay, there we go. That is really pretty. Just a really soft matte bronzer. I think she's also going to love that. And then her last thing is a Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. And that is what that looks like. I definitely think that it is geared more toward simplistic type shades, naturals and nudes. She's got the brush and stuff like that. I'm so jealous of that lip if she gets it and I don't. but I'm happy for her. Okay, moving along. Let me put hers back in her bag. And we're going to set that to the side. Now I will go into my bag. And I'll go ahead and show you the two things that I got for my add-ons. I got the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. And that was part of your add-ons for $12. I'm really excited to get this and use this. I love exfoliation treatments. I'm trying to open it and I can't. Oh. I just want to smell it. That smells really nice. I'm excited about this. Super excited. I will update y'all on this. And then I also got this little Farrah brush with that same kind of beautiful, I know it's not reading, that beautiful cobalt blue color. I will try to remember to take a picture of this. It's an absolute stunning brush. I love Farrah brushes, so really excited to have that. Now we get into the bag. Of course, it's always going to be the same exact bag. This bag is hella cute, y'all. Nicole Concilio and Kathleen Lights would love this bag. I need to go watch their unboxings and see if they got this. First up, I see a Phase Zero Makeup. Again, a brand I've never heard of. A Velvet Pressed Shadow in the shade. I don't know. Maybe it's called Velvet? I don't know. Let's open it and look. Oh yeah, that is the shade. Okay, cool. Velvet Pressed Eyeshadow. Phase Zero. I can never open these damn things, y'all. Oh yeah, we won't be keeping that. It's like a purpley plum, like foiled shadow with some glitters in it. It's cute, but it ain't for me. We're gonna pass that right along. Next up is a Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Warm Golden Blonde, shade 2, guys, really? The other 412 of these that I've gotten were in shade 3 or 3.5. Clearly not going to be using that either. And I wish I would have gotten that before I sent Julie's package because she could have used that. That sucks. Moving along. I also received the shade 2.16 in the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydrating Foundation. That's a mouthful. So I like that, and I actually needed a foundation. I've been waiting to get a foundation to do a first impressions with my 4 million items of stuff in my first impressions box. Next up I have the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. I have literally like 5 of these, and I have not even opened any of them. So I will not be using that. I just have way too much stuff right now. I'm a little bit bummed about this bag. Yay, I got it! I got the Ofra and Madison Miller Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and oh my, right. I'm excited about this. I saw all of her Insta stories and all that stuff, and saw her, see, I have too many tattoos and stuff. That's probably another reason why I don't do like actual swatching. That is so pretty. And if you've never tried Ofra's liquid lipsticks, first of all, they smell amazing. They feel really nice on the lips. They don't over dry the lips. They don't break down as easily as like a Kylie. I mean, I love Kylie lippies. Like Moon is one of my ride or die, lip colors. But I can eat one thing or drink one sip of drink and it's breaking apart on my lips. So I'm a little bit bummed about this. I literally have gotten so many of these in my Ipsy bags through the years. And I've always gotten shade 3 or 3.5. I mean, I have 2 of them right now that were pretty recent. So I don't understand why I didn't get my actual shade this time. So I'm gonna redo my little thing and I will pass this along to someone that's got blonde hair. Yeah, but love this. Love the fact that I got it for 12 bucks. I'm really excited about this. That brush is bomb and the Ofra lipstick is gorgeous. We'll be passing along the Gimme Brow and the purple shadow. But overall, I think especially for 10 bucks, even at 12 bucks, I wouldn't be upset about it. The Farrah brushes are about that by themselves. So I'm happy with it. I think it's really stunning overall. I wanted you guys to see this now that it's dry. But they're really, really pretty. I love Ofra lipsticks. The shade Verona, and then I'm trying to think of the orange one I've literally worn like Yeah, there it is. I've worn this so many times over the summer, the Miami Fever. It's so beautiful. I love an orange lipstick. Anyways, that is it. I really do think they did a really amazing job. I didn't have anything in mind, I guess, too adventurous, although I guess purple eyeshadow could be considered adventurous. But I did not get the right shade in the brow products, so that kind of bums me out. But yeah, I mean, overall, definitely worth. I love Ipsy, guys. I think $10 or $12 is definitely worth it. I think it's a great way to get your feet wet in the whole makeup beauty type of thing, especially, you know, if you want to try out sub boxes. Try a couple that are a little bit more on the cheaper side and then kind of go from there. That's what I would suggest personally. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap that notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.